In a magical forest, there lived a clever and curious monkey named Momo. One day, while swinging through the trees, Momo discovered a shiny ancient book. Seeking guidance, Momo approached the wise old owl, who revealed the book's magical powers. Intrigued, Momo set out on a quest to unlock the secrets within the enchanted book. Along the way, Momo faced challenges that tested his intelligence and problem-solving skills, gaining wisdom with each trial. Applying his newfound knowledge, Momo helped the forest creatures live in harmony. In the end, Momo shared the moral of the story with his fellow animals, teaching them the importance of intelligence and kindness. As the sun set in the enchanted forest, Momo's wisdom and kindness filled the air, creating a lasting harmony for generations to come.